Hey, did you know that you can program a microcontroller in a web browser? Let me show you how. Hello from MyRobo. My name is John and I'm the chief human at MyRobo. And in this MyRobo Minute, I'm going to show you how to clone a Github project into MPLAB Xpress and then build and compile a program and download it into our UBMP4. Let's go. First, start on the Microchip website. From the Tools and Resources tab, choose Develop and then the MPLAB Xpress cloud-based IDE. Click the Get Started Now button. And if you don't have an account already, you're going to need to create one to log into the IDE. It takes a little while to load it up in the browser. When MPLAB Xpress starts, it's like a browser-based version of MPLAB X. To clone a project from GitHub, I'll need to navigate to the GitHub page that contains the code. I'm going to start with the UBMP 4.2 Intro 1 project, the first one that most people will use. From the Code button, I'm going to choose the Copy button to copy the URL of this project. Back in MPLAB Xpress, I'll go to the File menu and choose Clone Git Project. Here I'm going to paste in the URL that I copied, but importantly, I'm going to add a slash at the end. Click OK, and it will start to clone the project. Within the project folder in GitHub is a project folder. You'll need to click that project folder and then choose Open, and then click the actual MPLAB project from that and choose Open again. This loads the project into the browser-based MPLAB Xpress session. And there it is. All of the dashboard settings have been copied over from the MPLAB X project. The header file is in there. The source files are in there. We can click on any of those files to open them up in the browser. And then to compile the program, we're going to use the drop-down arrow beside the Clean and Build Project button and choose Clean and Build for export. This will build the project in the cloud and download a copy of the compiled program into our computer. Find the program in your Downloads folder. Then press and release the programming button on the UBMP4. The PIC16F1459 processor shows up as a device on your computer. Simply drag and drop the hex file into the project. And just like that, your program is running.